Hey, what is this laying on the leaf of the garbage? Wait, it looks like an army truck. Is this the one my younger brother lost a few days ago? Yes, this was probably his favorite toy friends. He used to play with it day and night, and when it got lost, he cried a lot. We searched everywhere, but couldn't find it. And now, look at this. Maybe it fell in a drain. It doesn't matter today. I will clean it properly, and then I will give it back to my younger brother. When he will see it, he will jump with joy.
Hey kid, are you making videos again? Nobody watches your channel. Why waste your time?
No, Uncle, these people aren't like that. They're really kind at heart. Just wait, they'll subscribe, and Army will also write in the comment for his country. After hours of hard work, my brother's army truck is finally clean and ready, and now it looks amazing.